we're hearing a lot lately is reviews that are valid missing from Google business profiles. Sometimes a customer may tell you they left a review. Sometimes you may notice a friend or mostly customers, right, who are leaving them and then they're not showing for whatever reason. Google has a policy on understanding missing and delayed reviews. Most of the time, they're trying to block spam or inappropriate content. Sometimes it just catches the wrong stuff or there's false flags. And so it can be removed for policy violations, and there's ways to report reviews that do that. But for ones that are missing, it's a little bit different. So the best option is to contact support for assistance. What that looks like is we'll pick a business. Let them know what they can help with, right? So we're missing reviews. Missing reviews is it. That's not the case. None of those are going to help us, unfortunately. So we really just want to get down to the email option. In here, we're going to give them our name. Here's where we pick how we relate to the business. Give it some details. Also, to get your business profile ID, it's really easy to get. You just search your business name while you're logged into Chrome or Google. Come to these settings, and under the advanced settings, we'll copy this ID. Just paste that in there. We'll ask you if you've recently been suspended or disabled. Sometimes reviews don't make it after being reinstated. Does it belong to a school? No. How long? How many? I'll tell we're not sure. Last 2 months. So here we'll give them the reason, right? Reviews are are not being posted that do not violate any policy and are not showing on the profile. And no related case IDs. So what that'll do is start the process here. Typically what happens is they're going to give us an email like this. I understand that they're reviewing the, show up their end statement or prohibited or restricted content. To which that you can reply if you have the user's name, right? So here's a person with a screenshot, right, of the review so we can see who did not get posted. And so give them that if you can. Names definitely help. Screenshots even better. They'll say, okay, all right, we're looking into the missing review. We'll get back to you May 24th. And then a couple days later, right after the weekend, that they here in this case, right, they've made the required edit and reinstated the review, and they found more missing reviews, right, that they also reinstated to the profile. So by doing this, you can try to get them. It's not a given, but this is a process for how you appeal to have missing reviews released to be shown on your profile. If you have any questions with that, reach out to us in the comments, send us an email via our website, give us a call or text or chat us. We can help you with that at WebSuited. Thank you.